Well, here in Martin County, fortunately, crews did not have to use many of the resources they deployed around the county to prepare for this storm, such as these high water rescue vehicles. The sheriff's office stationed around the county in places prone to flooding, like the Hobe Sound community, specifically Hobe Heights. In Hobe Heights, the county also left a storm water pump that could be turned on if street flooding became an issue. In years past, with much heavier rainstorms, flooding was so bad here it actually seeped into homes. The county this year began demolishing 12 homes at the highest risk for flooding.
2 years ago, we had the flooding, and that was like 20 inches of rain.
Saturday morning, Richie Schaeferman was just grateful to walk outside to wet streets, but no flooding.
I'm happy. I'm happy because, we don't need that water here like that, and I'm glad to see that, they got the pump system here, in case something did happen.
Around the county, other flood-prone areas like Sewalls Point Rd saw a few inches of street flooding, some washing up onto driveways. The roads remained passable, much credited to the work by city and county crews to clean drainage systems before the storm and make infrastructure improvements over the last year, getting their first true test run this season.
You prepare for the worst and, hope for the best.
Megan McRoberts, WPTV, News Channel 5.